How's the level for everything? Are we all good? Okay, all right. We good? Okay. Can we give it up for Dave? Woo! And also, huge round of applause for Carl for putting this cursed show together. Oh my God! Thank you so much, Carl. And another round of applause for Rachel. I absolutely loved her set. And one more for upcoming band, Matt! Woo! Hold me close to your heart, so I can hear your heartbeats. Music to my ears, you are. The way your pulses dance around, you hold me utterly spellbound. I know I'm not articulate, but when my heart beats syncopate, that's how I know it indicates I'm in love. Don't let me evaporate, leave our souls to navigate. See them gravitate towards love. Wildfire, our love is like a wildfire in the fall. Thank you. That was Wildfire. Woo. Thank you.